What a wonderful world.
Hello you guys, I am Agima and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be reviewing and talking about the Indian healing clay by Aztec Secret. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. You all might know that I got this long time ago. You all might have seen it in my Nykaa skincare video, and I have said that I will share with you the review and I will talk about this product more in some other video. So I thought of making a separate video on this, and today I am going to use this on my face. I have used this once, but you all know that you can't see any difference in one go. But when I applied this for the first time on my face felt like smooth. I don't know why, but it did felt like a smooth texture on my skin. But I wanted to like try it for you guys, because I said that I'll be reviewing this thing. So I'm going to put this on my face today. So let's open it up. So as you can see, it kind of looks like multani mitti, and it also feels like multani mitti, but the smell of this thing is very different compared to the multani mitti. So I'll use this bowl, and if you have seen my Miniso haul, you all might know that I got this from Miniso, and look how cute it is. When I used this clay for the first time, I used this bowl, so I know how much quantity I need for today, because for the first time I used too much and the product got wasted. So I'm going to be, so it has this 3 set of spoons and this bowl with a cap. So I'm going to use the smaller spoon which says 2.5 ml, but I'm thinking to like scoop half of it. So I'm going to take half of this spoon. So this is the half of it, and I'm going to take it in bowl, and I will add some water. So I have added a little bit of water in it, and now I'm going to mix it up with this brush. I think it's the right amount of water. Yeah. So now I'm going to apply it on my face. I think this brush is not letting me take the proper amount of the face pack. It's a silicone brush, if you wanted to know. And yeah, I'm just using my phone to see because I didn't bring any mirror with me. And to tell you guys, it dries very soon. So yeah, so this is how my face looks. Till then we'll read some instructions on the tub. I know that if anyone is going to use any product on their face, so they are going to first read the instructions on the tub and then apply it, but I have read it because I have used it once, but I wanted to tell you all how to use it. I know if you all get this thing, then you all can read it obviously, but if you all want to know the product before buying it, then I'm here for you all. So there's many things written, so I will read all of it. So feel your face pulsate, facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, food soaks, chilled clay for knee packs and insect bites. Enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Okay, so now there's directions. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/4 into 1. Okay, what is it? Apply 1/4 inches to half inches to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. It removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. And it says it's the world's most powerful facial. 1 lb of clay makes 10 to 15 facials. Use it once per week, more often for problem skin. Men love it too for external use only. Okay. I think I can use this stuff for at least 2 years, because it says that y'all can use it only once per week and more often for skin problem as in acne. If you get acne, scars and everything. And I mostly use this for acne because I get a lot of acne on my forehead, on my nose and my chin. I mostly don't get acne and pimples here on my cheeks, only sometimes. Okay, so I will let this thing dry for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll talk to you guys. Okay, you can see this has dried and now I'm going to wash it off. And my skin, actually it feels like my skin have like tightened. So now I'm going to wash it off and then we'll see how my skin feels. My face and to tell you guys, seriously my face feels so soft, and I think I am not having any redness on my skin right now, but it definitely feels very soft. Okay, so my lips have dried, so I'm going to use this chocolate coffee lip balm by Revona Naturals. And this smells like coffee bite. Okay. So I think I'm going to use it every week, at least once, because my face feels very soft, and I think I can use it for my dark circles also, if I'm not wrong. And I think you all can use this Indian healing clay for your body also, as a body pack. I think I will try this as a body pack. I will try. Let's see. I can't tell if I'm going to really use it as a body pack or not. I might use it or I might not. So let's see. And yeah, that is it for today's video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow Agima's Lifestyle and the Siva Style Store, and please check out my website. I will be giving all the details in the description box below, so make sure to check those out. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.